Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about the most secure portable operating system, which is Tails OS. And first we are going to download its file. So for that, search Tails OS on Google. Then click on top side. Here you will see some of its amazing features. Click on Get Tails to download its file. You can get it for different platforms also. I want it for Windows, so I will select Windows. Click on Download Tails option and downloading will start. We can also verify our image after downloading, which I think is a pretty good feature. At last, there are some warnings that Tails is safe but not magic, because it also fails in some cases, like when you are already using a compromised PC. Now our Tails image is ready, so let's verify it. Select the image on that side and now it's checking. That was considerable fast and our image is perfect. Normally we use Rufus to flash USB, but to flash images in USB we have to use Balena Etcher, and to download that, just search Balena Etcher on Google, then click on first site. Click on download for Windows option and download will start. After downloading, install it. It will automatically run after installation. Select the image and USB, then flash. One of the best thing about this software is that it also validates the image after flashing. Now let's close this, and as you can see, our PC is not showing that USB because it's now a different operating system on its own. Just restart the PC. On starting, you will see this. Then select Tails. It will load all the files. Select language and start Tails. This is just a typical Linux interface. All things on top. Whoa, in internet you have a Bitcoin wallet, nice, and also an unsafe browser option. This is our system information. So this was it, the safest portable operating system you can use wherever you want. Just plug and play. I will be making more videos on these useful, less known operating systems, so comment below if you know about these kind of OS. Thanks for watching.